Welcome to today's video on 90+ console table and entryway decor ideas. Your entryway is the first impression your home makes, and a well-decorated console table can set the tone for the entire space. Whether you're looking to create a welcoming vibe or add a stylish accent, I've got you covered with a variety of inspiring ideas for all tastes. Let's dive into the world of entryway decor. Modern minimalist looks. If you love a clean and sleek aesthetic, modern minimalist decor is perfect for your entryway. Opt for a simple console table with clean lines, perhaps in a neutral color like black, white, or wood. Pair it with a few decorative pieces, like a chic vase, a modern sculpture, or a single piece of wall art. Less is more when it comes to minimalist decor, keeping your space open, airy, and clutter-free. Rustic charm. For a cozy and welcoming feel, a rustic console table can transform your entryway into a charming, country-inspired space. Look for tables made from reclaimed wood or those with distressed finishes. You can decorate with natural elements like woven baskets, vintage books, or potted plants. Add in a farmhouse mirror or a set of lanterns to complete the rustic look, making your entryway feel like a warm embrace every time you walk in. Elegant glam styles. Want to make a statement with your entryway? Go for an elegant glam look with a mirrored or metallic console table. Think about adding sophisticated decor like crystal vases, decorative trays, or a bold piece of artwork. Gold accents and soft lighting can enhance the luxurious vibe, giving your entryway a high-end feel from the moment guests step through the door. Functional and stylish. If you need your entryway to be both functional and stylish, there are plenty of practical decor ideas that don't sacrifice beauty. Choose a console table with built-in storage for organizing keys, mail, or shoes. Add stylish baskets or decorative boxes to keep things tidy while still looking great. A beautiful tray for essentials like sunglasses or a decorative hook for your coat adds a purposeful, yet stylish touch. Seasonal decor updates. Your console table and entryway decor can easily be updated with the seasons. In spring, think fresh flowers and light pastel accents. For fall, introduce warm colors like oranges, reds, and browns, along with pumpkins and cozy candles. As winter arrives, swap out your decor for festive wreaths, twinkling lights, or metallic accents for a holiday-ready space. Seasonal updates keep your entryway fresh and exciting throughout the year. Small space solutions. If your entryway is on the smaller side, don't worry. You can still create a stylish look with the right approach. Opt for a slim, narrow console table to maximize your space, and keep the decor light and simple. A round mirror above the table can help reflect light and make the space feel bigger. Vertical decor like tall vases or framed artwork also draws the eye upward, creating the illusion of more space. Personal touches. Adding personal touches to your entryway makes it feel uniquely yours. Consider framing some family photos or displaying souvenirs from your travels on the console table. A mix of personal and decorative elements like books, candles, and plants can create a space that's both welcoming and reflective of your style. With these 90+ console table and entryway decor ideas, your entryway can be transformed into a stunning and welcoming part of your home. From modern minimalist to rustic charm and everything in between, there's something for every style and space. Be sure to give these ideas a try and make your entryway a reflection of your personal style. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home decor inspiration.